Hi, and welcome to the channel. So you guys, today I am taking you along with me as I make dinner. I am going to make a quick and easy to me chicken pot pie. So I have some fresh mushrooms, celery, and potatoes. I've got some mixed vegetables, some garlic, some chicken bouillon, some onion powder, some cornstarch, some Bisquick, some more chicken bouillon back there, and then I have some leftover rotisserie chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to nuke my potato and my celery for about 2 or 3 minutes to soften them up, and then I shall be right back. Okay, so we're back. I've got my chicken, I've got my celery and potatoes. I'm going to add these. I'm going to mix this around. Because they're still hot from the microwave, it'll loosen up some of my chicken fat that from the chicken. So we're going to mix that up. Then I want to take my onion powder. Okay, you guys, I need you to season to taste. You know what, but most of the time I'm not measuring nothing. I got a little garlic powder. And I absolutely love this Knorrs bullion. And because I'm using it, I'm not going to use any salt. But as I said, salt to your taste. So next I have, this is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now if you don't have cornstarch, you can use flour. I like cornstarch simply because it doesn't, to me, it doesn't lump up as bad as flour. So I'm going to mix all this around. And I'm going to add, let me shake this up first. I'm going to add some chicken stock. And I like my pot pie with lots of juice, yeah. To me, that's the best part, the juice and the crust for me. Add some more. Now, you guys, if you have, now some people use instant like cream of mushroom soup, cream of chicken soup, and that's fine. You can do that. If I had some, I probably would put it in there. I'm thinking, do I have any? I'm gonna have to check and see. I think I'm gonna put all this chicken bouillon in here, which is probably gonna make me have to add some more cornstarch. Add my mushrooms. Now, most people don't put mushrooms in theirs, but I love the crap out of some mushrooms. But if you've been here for a minute, then you know that. And then I'm going to add a little bit more. Well, let me taste this first. Nope, that's good enough. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Then I've got, these are steamable vegetables, but as you see, we ain't going to steam them. We're going to throw them right on in here. with the rest of the party. Now I had two, oh, and I opened it. Dang on it. I got 2 packets of the mixed vegetables. Well, I guess it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Did I put all of it in there? Let's put some more. Get some more cornstarch. Child, I almost forgot you. So that is some more cornstarch. I'm gonna mix this up. I preheated my oven to 375. Do yours at 325, child. I'm just trying to do everything in a hurry. I'm always trying to be in a hurry. I'm not trying to be, it just happens that way. So, I think I want to add a little bit of parsley. Hold on a second. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and I added another bag of frozen vegetables. And I'm going to go ahead and put this all in my Pyrex dish. This is a good way to get all your vegetables in. Get your vegetables and protein from the chicken. Or whatever kind of pot pie, because you don't have to do chicken pot pie. You know, there's beef pot pie and turkey pot pie, whichever one you decide to make. So I want to spread this around and make sure everything is evenly distributed. And looking at this, since I put that other bag of vegetables in, I'm going to add the rest of the chicken broth. So hold on. Okay. I'm going to add all of that. And you guys, I'm going to cover this because I don't want to lose my juice. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to bake it. I'm going to start with 15-20 minutes. I want to see the my thickness of it is what I'm looking for. When I get the thickness that I want, then I will add my topping. So I'll see you in a minute. Again, I'm going to cover this with some foil and put it in the oven. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. I want to check my thickness of my juice. Okay. I think I'm going to add, because I feel like it should be thicker, I'm going to add some more cornstarch. So give me a minute. Okay, so I'm going to add, okay, disclosure. I should have stuck with the 4 tablespoons of cornstarch because it did come out a little bit thicker than I like. But, you know, check for yourself and do it your way. There's not a lot left in this bag, but I think I'm going to add it all. Or maybe. I started out with 2 tablespoons. And then I added another 2 tablespoons. I think that's it. I think that's it. we're going to put the top back on of the foil. I'm going to put it back in the oven. I think I want to check it again in probably another 15 minutes or 20. But we'll be back. Okay, fam. So as you can see, the juice is getting a little thicker. So I have my Bisquick mixed up, and I like to season it. So I seasoned it with some of the Knorrs bullion, some onion powder, whatever you want. You really don't have to. That's just me liking a whole bunch of flavor. That's what that is. So we're just going to put this on top. And I tried to make the consistency kind of thin because I really don't like it thick. But I will eat it anyway, you know what I'm saying? So, just put all that on there. I also put chives in there, so if you see the little things, I got chives in the batter. So, yeah. So, we are going to put this in the oven and let it do what it do. Now, we're not going to cover it this time, because we want the batter to brown. Okay, so let me get this in the oven. Okay, you guys, so here is our finished product. I just took it out of the oven. I'm gonna let it rest, and my mouth is already watering because I'm excited about it. So I hope this recipe helps you guys if you're trying to think of something to cook. I want to thank Gina for the inspiration of this meal. Girl, I was running out of ideas. This is, I can't really say quick because you know you got to bake it for all your life, but it's simple and easy. So I'm going to close here, but you know what I love to say. I love you from your toes to your soul, and until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.